Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Powering your home during emergencies with an electric vehicle is a big focus for some car makers, like Ford with its F-150 Lightning. Meanwhile, Emporia Energy is partnering with BREK Electronics to bring bi-directional electric vehicle chargers to market. And Emporia CEO Shawn McLaughlin says it should cost under $1,500.
So this will get installed inside of their garage, carport, or out in front of their home. Customers will be able to come in and plug in their EV charger, and they'll be able to get into their Emporia app and kind of preset how they want their home energy to be managed.
Including the ability to provide backup power more affordably than with the purchase of standalone backup battery systems. There's more at emporiaenergy.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.